Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. In this video, we are going to put some piping on our HMI. So now we have a pump here, and now we are going to draw a pipeline from here to our pump and from a pump to the tank. And we are also going to draw the valve and the source water. So, and the right corner on the right side, I have already navigated the pipes, the graphics and pipes, and I'm going to draw. First of all, I put this one and go to layout, the braid. I want to choose 20. It should be enough, right? And also I'm going to add a valve. Here I have valves. Yes. Which valve? I'm going to use this valve. So also the layout, I'm going to use like 20. And 30. Yes. That's 200. Okay, so now I will just make a copy of this one. Alright, go back to 100%. And now again to the pipes. Same one. So 20 and 20. Okay, this is also 20. Okay, alright. We are at the other one. Yes, here somewhere. Okay, 20. But it is a different color, right? This is, I think we have used, look at this color. But again, the color is not that important. Alright, so we have our first pipeline from the source water. And now we are going to put this cut. Alright, but the other thing we don't have is now a valve. So here now we're going to put a valve. Which one it was? This one. So 20 size and 30. Alright, okay. So now we go back to 100%. Okay. And now again, we go like I would like to Going to send here. All right. Again. Add to the here around. Okay. Okay, so now we have three valves. The first one is going to be valve is W source water. Okay. And the second one valve inlet. Outlet. All right. Okay, so and now, okay, so that was our pipes from the source water to our pump, and from our pump to the tank, and also from tank to somewhere else. Okay, and what next? I'm going to put here. Okay, so far it's done, but we can also now let me delete it. Let's see if we can change the color of this thing. Okay. Okay, so now we are always 15 minutes. The time runs very fast. So it was just a quick video about how to draw the pipeline. So I guess everybody knows how to do that, but I want to start from the first point to the end point. So from we have we are going to design an HMI which has all the information, right? Whenever you're building a system, so you're going to create your HMI, and the HMI has to have the complete information of the system. So we are going to build something which has the information or the commands or the information from the function block we have prepared in our organization block. Okay, so this was our today's training video, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, share the videos, and if you want to comment something on this video, it will help the channel, or it will help the video or me a lot. And I thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye, and I will catch you back in the next video.